Good morning, everyone. It's early morning here in Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome back to another video. This morning I'm going to be making breakfast. Kind of with a twist. And what I mean by that is I'm going to be making eggs and toast, but I always put it into like a sandwich. I'm American. I can't help it. We make everything into a sandwich. So just watch what I do and hang out with me while I try to make some breakfast. Okay. A little bit of oil. I don't want the eggs to be soaking in oil. There we go. And I know in Kenya, everybody takes a spoon or something to crack the egg, but I've always been taught to just hit it on the side of the pan or hit it on the side of the counter, just to make a small crack and then open it. So that's what I do. I'll be putting 4 eggs in here. I like my eggs well cooked. I don't know, it just goes on the sandwich so much better when they're well cooked and not when they're over easy or whatever. I'll be disposing of those in a second, but because I've been touching raw egg, I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to put some salt on there, just a pinch of salt, not a lot. Just sprinkle a little salt around. They're looking good so far. I'm going to put my toast in now so that it can start to toast. Wait just a second. The outlet here, we only have 2 things plugged in. So we always have to unplug something and plug the toaster in. Okay, the setting is on 2. Okay. All right. I need to get my spatula. No. Oh, sorry. I need a knife for the butter. And I keep forgetting all these things. Oops. I only need a couple plates. We also have honey. This is homemade honey from up in Capsabit where we were with the funeral. It is from the honey hives there. So there goes a couple pieces of toast. What didn't toast well? Oh, that didn't toast right, but we'll see. I'm going to break the yellow, the oak. that thing cook. I might need to turn the flame down on this stove. I'm not sure. But anyway, let them cook a little. Golden brown toast. I spread some butter on it. Makes it taste so yummy. Okay. Here in Kenya, the eggs are never put into refrigerators. I don't know why. I know in America, all eggs are refrigerated in the grocery stores, in people's homes, in their refrigerators. But even if you go to the grocery store here in Kenya, these big trays of eggs are sitting out without refrigeration. But that's just how it is here. I know I've always been taught, you know, oh, don't eat eggs that are sitting out because of, I don't know, is it salmonella or something? Anyway, if you know why, if you're an American, or even if you're not an American, you can tell me why. I also have a piece of watermelon here, and I'm going to cut up after we eat the eggs and toast. Waiting for that. Since I turned them over, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on this side. Just a pinch of salt, not much. I don't know what happened to my hair, but this piece is sticking out and it's driving me crazy. Put some butter on here. Okay. Over. Put 2 eggs on. 2 eggs on this one. There we go. Cut it in half. Okay, looks like we are ready for breakfast. Too bad you aren't here to sample this, to give me a rating from 1 to 10, what you think of this breakfast. But one thing is, subscribe, please, subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know if eggs are sitting out in wherever you live, because like I said, they don't do that in the US. So have a wonderful day, and God